that just fine all by themselves. With biological life. Unfortunately, our parent company didn't exactly love the concept of runaway AI.
Uzi, the homework was a word problem about buying watermelons?
Oh, and this magnetically amplified photon converter doesn't count?
No. Plus, repressed emotional baggage was only worth 2 points on the rubric. And is it supposed to be that color?
Ew, it didn't kill her. Oh my god, that was so bad.
Crippling daddy issues, hilarious. Sick as hell, railgun? Sci-fi nonsense, that super works! I'm sneaking to the murder drone lair tonight to get the last spare part I need to save the world with it and earn my dad's respect. No more feedback on my repression today!
I'm sorry. I didn't think.
Jones got her with that nanite acid. I want you to have it.
Neat. Therapy's fun.
Guys, my daughter is into doors.
Short for a disassembly drone. I'm N, but a whole letter is a lot to remember.
N, you're worthless and terrible. And if the company allowed it, I would straight up kill you myself.
Jay's awesome.
Knocked himself offline. Moron bot.
Hey, Uzi. I just realized no one has said my name aloud so far, so I'm just letting you know I'm.
Move, Dad! Dad, point and shoot!
Use I needed.
Thanks, Jay. Always looking out for me. You're awesome.
Hey! Put that conventionally.
Oh, Jay, you're sometimes kind of mean to me, and I wish you weren't. Just some constructive criticism.
Nice.
Noted, traitor. Damn the well-made, quality-assured durability of J.C. Jensen products! Huh?
Ah! My mind's in a weird place! Don't read into this!
Pain? Equity partners?
I brought the murder drones here accidentally. You chose to leave me for dead instead of just frickin' believing in me! And that's not even an edgy teen hyperbole like when I said it last week! I'll save you the trouble, Dad. I vanish myself! Let's go, Anne. Everyone here can bite me.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Uzi.